So it's day 8 and we are tackling garage tools. Now, for full transparency, my husband said absolutely not. I was not to touch his garage tools, and if I attempted to declutter his garage tools, he would declutter my sewing things. So I'm going to be very strategic. I am just going to organize the things in this space right here. I will put like to like. Anything that I think that he could possibly declutter, I will set aside in a box, and I will give that box to him and let him take a look. And if he wants to put it back, he can. And if he says, oh, we can let this go, fine. But I won't be decluttering anything from here today. I'm just going to be organizing. What I know is backwards, but that's what we're doing today. So let's get it started. Well, this area of the garage tools has been decluttered. Yes, decluttered and organized. He said it looks a lot better. I worked for about an hour and I certainly left it better than when I started. Got rid of the trash. We have a couple things to go to the donation center, and then all of this is going back, and now he can see what he's looking for that's right here. I'm not touching anything else. I'll see you tomorrow when we take on electronics and cords. Should prove to be interesting.